Welcome. In this video I'll be talking about how to use selection sort to sort a list of strings. And of course we're using selection sort. The selection sort algorithm is a classic approach to understanding sorting mechanisms. To illustrate its process, let's consider a simple yet effective example with a list of numbers. This example will help you visualize each step taken by the algorithm to achieve a sorted list. So the list we're gonna be doing is gonna be Zui, then we're gonna do Anna, then we're gonna do Liam, then we'll do Emma, and the last one is Noah. Okay, so pass one. First, we assume that the list is the first element is your minimum, so Zui. Okay, then we look for the minimum. The minimum here is gonna be Anna, because that's the order, that's the minimum. So the list is gonna become Anna, and we swap Zui with Anna. Okay, so Anna, Zui, then it becomes Liam, Emma, and Noah. Okay, now we're gonna be on Zui. Now we look for the minimum. The minimum is gonna be Emma. So this pass 2, the list will be Anna, it's gonna be Emma, then it's gonna be Liam, and then the swap which is Zui, and then Noah. So now we're gonna be at Liam, then we look for any L, Z, N. So we're okay, so past 3 we're okay, so we're gonna leave it as Anna, Emma, Liam, Zui, and Noah. Now we're at Zui. Now the last element is we have to swap it, so that will be past 4. So the list will become Anna, then Emma, then Liam, then we switch, so we're gonna be Noah, and the last one Zoe. So past 5 we look at the last element, so the last element, the list is sorted, so we say past 5 list is sorted, stop. So in summary, this example demonstrates the selection sort algorithm's systematic approach to sorting a list by iteratively finding and placing the smallest element in its correct position. While this algorithm is simple and effective for small datasets, it is not the most efficient for larger lists due to its complexity O big O n squared time complexity. Nonetheless, it's an excellent educational tool for understanding the fundamental of sorting. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.